Hey guys, this is Lam from lamreview.com. Welcome to my levels review. All of these bonuses have been offered by myself. You won't be able to get this through anyone else. So with that said, feel free to shop around. See what other affiliates are offering in the terms of bonuses. Because remember, you can always return to this page once you will realize my bonuses are way more useful and better than others. The first bonuses I'm going to give is the lost code. This is the video training series that show you how to promoting of the high ticket offer. So it also teach the method for boosting conversion, optimize and bonus page. The second bonuses is Urgency Suit Pro. So the Urgency Suit Pro is a system that actually it provides urgency bar and countdown timer builder. By using these two, supposed to check up 6 times from what you're currently making. The third bonus is the Fojo Breakout. So through this is a new way to getting traffic. It will teach you how to make money using the powerful of Instagram influencers. The four bonuses is WP Affiliate Suite. So this is a perfect course for anyone who want to learn how to build a niche page WordPress affiliate website. It includes 26 of this high-D video and a premier quality of do-it-for-you affiliate marketing WordPress theme. Another bonus that I am going to give is YouTube Supremacy. This is a course to teach you step by step how to set up and build an authority YouTube channel for ranking the video above your competitors. 14 of these videos are covered inside this YouTube Supremacy to teach you how to set up this YouTube channel, building authority, optimize, and ranking video. To claim all these bonuses 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, what you need to do is click on my link down in the description below and click on any of these buttons. Purchase the product on the next page. Once you purchase, you're gonna go into this page right here, and what you need to do is click on this blue button to access your bonuses.
Welcome to Levels. This is where you can get started. So we're just going to be walking you through the platform in this video. So what you're going to find is on the left hand side you've got the main menu. Here's where you're going to be able to jump across and click on the tutorial section. This is where you're going to be able to find all of the videos that will show you exactly what to do, the little bits and pieces that you need to set up your site. Then any of the supplementary sections that are explained in the videos will be here on the left hand side. We've then got the upgrades section. This is where you'll find all of the upgrades if you've got them. If you want to upgrade, this is where you will click, okay. And finally the help section. So if you can't find what you need in the tutorial section with the videos, and there's a lot of videos there, you can jump across to the help section, and then right at the top you can see there's the big button here. This is where you will click to access your site, and then right next to it there's just some supplementary items in the menu that you may need as well. So this is Levels. We'll see you in the tutorial videos real soon.